my channel. So for today's video guys, samahan nyo ko or go with me, ayo with me in the farm. So this is just a farm tour and a day in my life in the farm with Papa. But before that, this is inappropriate clothes, baju. So we have to change first. But before that, I want quick change. So let's do this. Oh. Okay, so very quick change guys. So come on, ayo, let's go to the farm. So guys, we are now here at Ibo's store. And before I will tour you guys in the farm or harvest some vegetables, we will eat first because I'm so lapar. You know me, always makan. So we makan chicken pastil is famous here, and I am a British accent. Oh, okay. So yeah, guys, let's eat first, and then I'll tell you guys later. Da. So this is the pastil, guys. Mine is spicy, and we have this one, chicken. Okay, go. Makan ya, ayo. Makan guys. Okay, go. Hey guys, we are now here at the farm, and this is the rice field, but this is not ours. I just took a shot here because I just want you guys to see how beautiful it is. Hey guys, now we're here at our bodega farm. So ito yung bodega namin, and then let's go guys. I'll tour you around what's inside. Ayo. So guys, this is the avocado tree, but there's no avocado right now because it's not season. So this one guys is mango tree, but there is no fruit mango right now because it's not season again. Aww. So ayo guys, this is the banana plantation. Okay guys, it's harvest time. Let's go find a banana. So ayo guys, I saw a banana there that it's I think it's ripe already. Ripe? Ready to... Alright guys, let's look for a banana and a banana that is ripe. Alright. Okay, go. So let's go guys. Oh, this one. Oh, let's check first. Let's check. It's okay. Oh, but this is not the right one. This other one. Okay. Oh my god, I cut already. Oh my god. Look, lihat. There's a bird's egg. Oh, so lucu. So lucu, guys. Bird's egg. Okay. Apa to? Where natin put? Where can we put this one? Oh, maybe let's transfer this here. Yes. So let's put the bird's nest here. I hope. So guys, now we're gonna feed the chicken. This is the makan. This is called palay. So let's go guys, eat. Okay, I'll call them. They will answer. So guys, we're gonna wash our hands. Cuci my hands. Okay. So in here we have fresh water. So it's called Bumba. Okay, go. 5 seconds. Oh, so guys, here's the tilapia, the fish pan, and Papa is the one who's going to feed the fish. Yeah, you cannot see it because it's itu. Apa tuh? Yeah. There. See the mouth? The mouth of the fish. Nagkuiban mo?
Siyempre, tatlo na rin. Malagyan pa kayo mo tito. Ako lang ay ini kay wife ko bakal ka gapon.
Ang dami. So guys, we're gonna try this one because there's no Carabao today. So I'm the one who's going to be Carabao. Okay, go. Gonna make a road for the farmer can walk and check the rice. So this is how they make it, like this, and then put like that, and then like this. Okay, go. Like banyak, because the sun will be the one who make it hard.
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom and pa, and not the way I do love you. Well, holy moly, me, oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I've never loved someone like you.
So banyak. So the other ones are still kecil, so we cannot cut it because they will still grow. So we're just gonna get the besar one, so the big one. So the big one. Okay, to eat. Okay, go. So this is all the eggplant, guys. So we have food already. Nanti at malam. Okay, go. Let's do this. So now, guys, we will display it here. If someone will buy, they will just check here the eggplant. So it's fresh from the farm. So guys, we're now here at a papaya tree. So we're just gonna get some papaya because Ibu will go sell later or sell there in her store. Already ripe. So cute, right? Eat it. Welcome guys here at Papaya Plantation. So banyak of papaya. If you are diet, this is a banyak of fiber. So it will if you eat banyak of this, you will So that's for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. So this banyak of papaya. So I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.